Check it out, y'all. Made it to the real Phuket right here. Look at this. Been stuck on Fitness Street, man. Been stuck on Fitness Street for 3 weeks. Just getting my fit on, which is good. I've lost weight, I've gained strength, gained muscle, lost fat, but I needed a break. So shout out to David, personal trainer, Irish David. He's pretty known in Fitness Street, so shout out for him for recommending this little spot. It's beautiful. I'm definitely going in the water, dude. I didn't come over here to not go in the water, so we'll see what's up. This new camera is waterproof, so I'm gonna take it in there, so stay tuned for that. We got a big group of Koreans over here. You know they're Koreans because Koreans are paranoid about the sun. They really don't like the sun, so look how covered they are. It's paranoia to the extreme right here. Take you guys down the walk, see what's up.